Hey, what if I told you that right now we're living in the most exciting era of tech and science, ever? Yeah, it sounds wild, but think about it. Every single day, new discoveries are changing our world faster than ever before. Let's rewind for a second. Remember the age of exploration back when people set sail and found entirely new continents? Today we don't have to cross oceans to discover new worlds. We're inventing them, right here, right now, in our pockets, on our desktops, and even out in space. Tech is moving at warp speed. We're talking AI that writes poems, robots that can do parkour, and quantum computers that crunch numbers so fast it's basically sci-fi. But it's not just about gadgets. Science is flipping what we know about life itself. New medicines, clean energy breakthroughs, even talk of living on Mars. This is our modern scientific revolution. It's not just for the labs, it's for all of us. Imagine what you could create or discover by just diving in and getting curious. So if you're pumped about where the future's headed, stick around. The next big leap could start with you. Hit subscribe and let's explore these new frontiers together. Catch you in the future.